to get replacement clothing? Just wondering.
No, we don't have that option.
What's up, guys? And today me and Lewis are doing another funny prank call today. We are doing Build-A-Bear Workshop. Anything you want to say, Sylvia?
Just gotta get them real quick. Build-A-Bear Workshop customer service.
Yeah, to be honest, guys, it's been a while since me and Lewis have done a prank call.
Yeah, it really has.
Yeah, it has. Last prank call we did was...
You monster.
Yeah, also make sure to watch our previous prank call, which was Burberry.
Oh yeah, that was a good one, guys.
Yeah, it was so funny. They actually believed us.
Yeah. And as you can see, guys, I've got the number up right now. I'm going to call them.
Yeah, Soviet, make the call.
I'm making the call.
A few minutes later.
Oh my god, I think we're actually getting
It's rain! It's rain!
Yes!
Hello, thank you so much for calling the Qatar today. Please have your first name and your last name.
Wait, what should we do?
Joseph Friedlander.
Hi, this is Joseph Friedlander.
Oh, thank you so much for the information. And now may I assist you today?
So basically, I've had this really weird issue with my stuffed bears recently. They've been, well, technically they've been stolen by this guy called Marv. He's part of the Wet Bandits. I'm just wondering if I could get a for the bears that have been damaged.
So, just to make sure I've got it right, it means that you have an order and you would like to know if you can get a refund for each. And what has happened with this order?
What is it?
What has happened with the order?
So basically, Marv, who's part of the Sticky Bandits, or the Wet Bandits, whatever, he's hacked my order and has been doing some really weird things with my stuffed animals. He's been leaving oil stains and skid marks all over them, and he's also he's been hacking it, and he's also been hacking into my orders and cancelling them and stuff. Like, I just don't know how he's been able to do all this stuff, and I've not noticed it all this time. It's stole my stuffed animal.
Okay, so then you need to read out the order number.
I think Marv also stole my order number too. I can't find it.
Okay.
I'm literally trying to find it, but I just can't.
Yes. Okay, so that's fine. You can check it on your email, maybe.
Oh yeah, and also the Sticky Bandits or Wet Bandits, whatever. They've also hacked into my email address, so I can't do anything on that either.
So you didn't have the email address?
Yeah, the Wet Bandits stole it. The Wet Bandits from over there stole it. Pretty hard to believe.
I'm sorry?
I know it's pretty hard to believe, but the wet bandits or sticky bandits, whatever, you know, the guys from Home Alone hacked into all my email accounts and stuff. It's been doing all this weird stuff and causing all these issues.
Got it. Okay, but I need to have maybe I know the number in order.
They literally were
Oh my god! That was epic! They actually took us seriously.
I have no idea what I was talking about.
Oh my god, that was epic!
Yeah, it was. That was hilarious.
This is actually great. We actually got through to Build-A-Bear.
Yeah, that was awesome. We actually managed to get through to him this time.
Alright, guys. That is how me and the Soviet do it. We got to...
Hell yeah.
We did Build-A-Bear workshop, but they actually believed us.
Yeah, that was the best part about it. They actually took me seriously.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to watch our... Remember what I said before, make sure to watch our previous prank we did on my channel, Burberry.
Oh yeah, guys, that one. That you need to check out that one, guys. That was a great.
Yeah, that one, they actually also took us seriously as well.
Yeah.
Alright, so goodbye guys, Prankster Bear 59 out.